Is Crypto Idle Miner really a fast way to potentially earn hundreds of dollars per day automatically, or is it a complete waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have recently asked me about this Crypto Idle Miner because it can seem like a very fun and easy way to potentially earn crypto and cash, and therefore I decided to test myself, and in this Crypto Idle Miner review I will give you an inside look and show my experiences and opinion about it so you can find out if you should use this game or not. So I have now pulled the game up on my screen, and as you can see, there's a lot going on the screen. But what's very easy and user-friendly is that when you first start, there's like not a lot, and it just takes you through everything step by step. But the basic idea is that you can see I have some electricity there. I need to make sure that runs, and at first you don't have any staff hired, so you need to sit and click automatically, but it will take you through everything. And then you also see you have the mining devices there, and then whatever you earn goes up there, and then you have someone sitting there and selling it. And at first you have to just really sit and click everything, which can be a little bit annoying, but within a few minutes, just by following what they say, you see that then you can earn enough and get people. You can see there are now staff there that runs it, and one sitting there also. So right now I don't do anything, and you can see that if we look at the top of the screen, then I'll just try to show you there that these earnings, it will just keep going up. Even when my app is closed, I will earn like that. So it seems very appealing. So the idea is just to build this automatic factory, and then once in a while you can double it by watching ads. There's actually quite a lot of ads, so they make quite a lot of money, I assume, from you watching ads. And in the beginning, this whole section at the bottom was not even there for me. So you can also go to like a map, and once you build out this factory, you can get access to other things. And you can see like now, right, there's just an ad. This is what I mean. There are ads just popping up. So this can get quite annoying. But you know, if you could actually earn by doing it, because it does seem like you can earn quite a lot, then it could potentially be worth it. Right now I can't even get it to close, and now it did. It just disturbs the game, but you know, that's how they make money. So now you can see here I have this city, and you can expand it from there, but it kind of takes you through everything. This is how it works. But I'm right now, I'll just go back into where I was before my factory there. So this is the game. It just takes you through everything. You need to click, you need to build your factory, level up. You can see if I just have there, I can level up with the earnings I have. I can click to level up to the next level, and it becomes more efficient. I can earn more and all these things there. But let's then talk about the earnings and how can you get it out. So as you can see, just automatically there, I earn like $800, more than $800 over and over again, it looks like. But what's very important to understand is that that's not necessarily true, or it is not true. This is not real dollars. This is in-game currency that is added up here. You can also get these currency, which is where you can boost your effectivity and all this, where you can buy more. And this is something where you can put money in to buy that. So there's a lot of options to buy different boosts and things like that. So it becomes a little bit confusing, and you might think that you can easily earn, you know, $800 if I just build it up, maybe thousands of dollars every single minute or something like that. But that's not quite how it works, because when it comes to the cash out options, there are some things you need to consider. So let me just close down the app, and then we'll talk more about that. So the thing is, when I first joined Crypto Idle Miner, I'll just show you a screenshot. It says very clearly that the only token you can take out is the horror token. But that is like very confusing when you're inside there. When do you even get access to that? And then I saw another screenshot. I'll just show that. There, I took a screenshot where they showed it on the screen, because there it says very clearly that the last free withdrawal will happen sometime in December in 2021, because they're switching to a new network. That's all fine, but at the time of recording this video, that has been more than 5 months, close to 6 months, and still it does not seem to be finish with this integration, which means you still cannot withdraw. I'm not saying that that will never happen, that it will never be finished, but I'm just saying that something strange is going on if it has not happened yet. So there are some very important things you need to consider. First of all, yes, there are some activities on the social media and things like that. So I cannot say maybe eventually they will get all this fixed and you'll be able to withdraw. But you do need to be aware that there's a lot of ads inside the app, and you can spend a lot of time. You can even spend a lot of time or money investing if you get these different boost packages, because there's a lot of pop-ups like that. And if you think that you can earn thousands of dollars like per day or even almost per minute, then you might be tempted to do that. Personally, my opinion about this is, after having tested it, I will be deleting it. I might regret that in the future. I cannot say how developed. Maybe they will get everything sorted. Maybe it will turn out that they pay out in a crypto that will become worth a lot, and it will be really great decision. Personally, I just think the app itself, the game, is just a waste of time, because there's so many ads and so many confusions, and I don't really personally, I have not seen any games like this that will actually really be worth it if you're looking at it from a earning perspective. But no, I might be wrong. If you have a different opinion, please feel free to share below, and it might change. Maybe it will become into a great project. I'm just saying, currently, from my testing and from the information they currently have published, I am not convinced by it, and it will not be a way that I will use if you to earn anything. But that's my personal opinion and experience after testing hundreds of different ways to make money online. So to sum it all up, I can understand why Crypto Idle Miner can be an addictive game. I was kind of getting carried away with myself, and it also looks like you earn a lot, but you do need to be aware that currently, as of recording this video, they do not offer a withdrawal option. There are a lot of ads in there, and you can potentially get tempted to also invest there, but there are no guarantee if you will ever be able to get paid out or how much you will be able to earn from it because of the token they will pay in. It's not really yet something that has a real value from what I can see, because you cannot even get it out currently. Maybe this will change eventually. We'll just have to wait and see. Personally, it will not be an app I will use anymore as it is right now anyways. But if you're interested in earning crypto for free, there are quite a lot of different methods that I do know pay out here and now. I will leave links below to more information about, for example, how to earn Ethereum or Bitcoin for free. So you can check that out if you're interested in that. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.